generally, when we're talking about a producer, we're talking about the brand whose logo appears on the packaged good that's being sold. So if I'm a company selling candy and my brand is the one that's appearing on that candy wrapper, I'm probably the one who's going to owe fees on that packaging. That's not always going to be the case. There will be cases where we have importers involved and retailers involved, and like, yes, it is going to be complicated, but generally we're talking about the brand whose name appears on the packaging. So we'll just start there. Yes, there will also be some exceptions for certain kinds of products and certain kinds of small businesses, agricultural producers, stuff like that. And each statute gives those details. That said, there is a very good chance that if you are selling a product that has your logo on it, you are going to be an obligated producer if you're selling into any one of these 5 states. So what we know right now is that the Circular Action Alliance is the named producer responsibility organization in California, Oregon, and Colorado. We anticipate that they will continue to be named the PRO in other states as well. So my advice to folks is go ahead and register with CAA by July 1st of this year, 2024, because there is no cost to it. Their goal right now is to have a sense of their roster of folks that may be obligated. If you were not otherwise going to be obligated under the law, you're not going to become obligated just because you register with CAA. What you're going to get is more updates about whether you are obligated, information about deadlines of when you need to be reporting data, the kinds of data that you need to gather, and just lots of legislative updates as this progresses. So there's really no downside to joining. So if you have any doubt about whether you're a producer, you might as well join and get access to their resources to understand if you actually are obligated. So I say just join and then hope that this doesn't actually apply to you, which like is the best case scenario for you. But there's a good chance if you're selling into those states that you're going to be obligated in some way.